Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day, as part of a lesson on walking that I was doing, I watched a video where the speaker was basically claiming that sitting down is the new smoking. My daughter was also watching the video, and at the end of it I asked her what she made of it, and she responded by saying, yeah, I think she has a point, but she might be over-egging the pudding a little bit. If you say that someone's over-egging the pudding, or sometimes you hear over-egging the cake, you basically mean that they're making something seem bigger, larger, more important, better, or worse than it really is. So, piece of advice. If you're going to lie, keep it simple. Try to avoid over-egging the pudding, because you'll forget which lie you told and you'll get all confused. You sometimes hear the expression in kind of political journalism, for example, or when politicians are being interviewed. So you might hear a politician, for example, say something like, it would be over-egging the pudding to say that our proposals are universally popular, but we do hope that people will come to like them with time. Sometimes you also just hear over-egging. So you might hear someone complaining about a friend of theirs who exaggerates a lot, and you might respond by saying, yeah, I know, she does tend to over-egg things a little bit every now and then. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use over-egging the pudding.